Today I'm gonna show you how to make a boomerang paper airplane. First, go to the top and then fold this, and then this through here. And then unfold it, and then flip it around. Fold this into the crease. Same with this point. And then fold this point into the middle of the crease, and make sure this line is the same like this line. And now flip it over. Put both of these points like this. Now this has to be next to here, and then now flip it over and see this. You can open it up and do this. And then put this point into here. Be careful while you're doing this. And then hold this. You hold this. And then fold it like this. And then fold this. And there you go. Your paper airplane boomerang. Let's test this out. 3, 2, 1. And on to the couch. Now, let's try it again. Let's see where it went. It went under the TV. Wow. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe. For next month, paper airplane that flies far.